Today I'm going to show you how to set the default paper size to A4 in Microsoft Word, so every new document opens with the correct page size automatically. This is a simple change, but it can save you a lot of time if you always work with A4 instead of letter. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open a blank document in Microsoft Word. You want to start from a new file so you can make the paper size change from a clean setup. Once the document is open, go to the Layout tab at the top of Word. This is where you'll find all the page setup options, including margins, orientation, and paper size. Next, click Size. You'll see a list of common paper formats appear. From that menu, select A4. This changes the current document to A4, which is the standard paper size in many regions around the world. But if you want Word to remember this setting for future documents, there's one more important step. In the Page Setup group, click the small dialog box launcher arrow. This tiny arrow opens the full Page Setup window where you can access more detailed settings. When the Page Setup window opens, click the Paper tab. Here, you'll see the paper size drop-down menu. Choose A4 from the list if it isn't already selected. This ensures the document is using the correct paper size at the system level. Now, here's the key step that makes this your default. Click Set as Default. Word will ask if you want to change the default settings for all new documents based on the normal template. Confirm that choice and Word will save A4 as the default paper size for future documents. From this point on, whenever you create a new blank document, it should open with A4 selected automatically. That means you won't have to keep changing it every single time you start a new file. If you often prepare reports, school assignments, letters, or printable documents, this is a really useful setting to know. If your Word still opens in a different size, double-check that you clicked Set as Default and confirm the prompt. Also, make sure you were working in a blank document when you made the change, since that helps Word apply the setting properly to the default template. That's it. You've now learned how to set the default paper size to A4 in Microsoft Word. If you found this useful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Word tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with more Microsoft Word settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.